Welcome to today's meditation to get a specific person to instantly fall madly in love with you. Now let's begin. At this moment, I want you to close your eyes and open your heart. Feel all the love that is coming from your heart. I want you to join with my words in your mind and in your heart to feel a very strong connection of love. You are about to experience a very special communion between you and your specific person. Focus your attention on your lungs as if only your lungs exist. Feel the pleasure when your lungs expand to fulfill the biggest need of the human body, to breathe. Take a deep breath and feel the air as it fills your lungs. Feel how the air is nothing but love. Notice the connection between the air and the lungs. A connection of love. Expand your lungs with air until your body has the need to expel that air. And then exhale and feel the pleasure again. While embodying this pleasure, ask the universe to bring you your specific person so that you can share a strong communion of love with them. To have a communion with your specific person means to share the same vibration and the same frequency of gratitude, happiness, and joy with them. You are now connecting with your specific person on an energetic level. Imagine them loving you the way you want to be loved. They are loving you with no conditions, no expectations, no obligations, no judgments. They are loving you unconditionally. They accept you the way you are and love you with all their heart. Their heart is open, ready to receive all of your love. They are ready to fill you with their love. Feel their love as it begins to enter your body. Their love is so intense that it touches every cell of your body. They are loving you completely and unconditionally. They are becoming one with you. Now say to the universe, "Thank you, universe, for connecting me with love to my specific person. Thank you for giving me the person I truly desire. Thank you for the opportunity of experiencing this love with my specific person. Thank you for helping me keep the love of my life in my life forever. You and your specific person are one in love in this moment. Feel all the love when your lungs expand. Now slowly open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, "They are madly in love with me," to affirm that you have attracted back your specific person. And if you felt the power of this meditation, it is nothing compared to how you will feel when you completely release all of those blocks and limiting beliefs about you and your specific person. Decide today that the love between you and your specific person is irreplaceable and worth fighting for, and no negative beliefs are going to stand in your way. Get the Worship Me spell and banish these limiting beliefs from your mind by clicking the link in the description box below or heading to joybyjanell.com. I have thousands of 5-star reviews on my site so you can see how great my spells work. Bye, my loves. See you in the next meditation.